not with the current squad. As you know, from the regional T20 squad, Heavy was ruled out for 4 to 6 weeks. And we monitor, the surgery went well. We monitor how he does. Albi Morkel injured his abdominal muscle, and there was conflicting reports. Initially, they thought it wasn't so serious, but the second look at the scan in India, they thought that there was a grade 2 strain, or sorry, a grade 2 tear, and that probably rules him out for 3 to 6 weeks. But he is being looked after by his franchise physio at the moment. And Mark Archer, obviously, he's recovering at the moment, and he will be ready for the ice selection. Just a separate announcement from a SAT point of view. Probably will see Mike Young on the field today. Mike Young is joining Cricket South Africa as a consultant with the national team as a fielding coach, and then he'll also be involved in his high performance program as a coaching mentor. He'll be assisting the franchises